Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, and your captain wishes his mateys a happy 4th of July. For this July 4th special, I'm going to be microwaving a frog. Not a live frog, of course, because I don't do animal cruelty. This will be better anyway. It's a firework frog. And here to microwave this frog for you is Jareth, the Kenmore BEAST of a microwave. Right, open him up. Stick this in. After the last thing failed to do it in 704, I'm going to go the 1776 route. Now let's get microwaving. I'm going to start this one with the remote arm because I have a feeling Frogger is going to try to cross the road and get squished, or burn up rather. That was awesome! That was purely awesome! I was not expecting Frogger to get home that quickly. Wow. All I can say is, wow. Frogger making it home, or getting splooched, or whatever you want to call it, made for possibly the coolest experiment I've done ever, or at least the coolest I've done this year. Honestly, this was even better than the gasoline. Time to remove what's left of the post product. And yep, they both went off at once. Now, if you want my honest appraisal of this, this is incredibly unsafe. This, like all really cool 4th of July themed things for microwaving, is deadly. This very well could kill you, burn down your home, whatever. You really don't want to do this at home. Anyway, happy 4th of July. I hope you enjoyed my 4th of July marathon, where I spread out fireworks over time instead of clumping them all together in one.